There's a lightning rod on the top of a building. From a location 500 feet from the base of the building, the angle of elevation to the top of the building is measured to be 36. From the same location, the angle of elevation to the top of the lightning rod is measured to be 38. Find the height of the lightning rod. So we need to draw this out. So we have a location here that's 500 feet from the base of the building. And they said that we've got two angles of elevation. We got going up to the top of the lightning rod, and then we also have going to the top of the building. And what they're saying is they're saying this angle here to the top of the building is 36. And then they're saying this entire angle to the lightning rod, it's 38. So this angle is 38, which means this little baby angle in here is just 2 degrees. So I'm going to write 2 so it doesn't get too confusing. So they want the height of the lightning rod, which is just this, which is x. And then we also have this entire height of the building plus everything. And maybe that we'll call y. And then we've got the height of just the building. We'll call that z. Okay, so if I can find y and I can find z and then just subtract, I should be good to go. So let's start with the appropriate function. Again, I don't really care about these hypotenuses. So sine and cosine probably aren't the right functions. Tangent makes a lot of sense. So start with tangent of 36. So tangent of 36 equals opposite over adjacent. So tangent of 36 equals z over 500. And to solve for z, we're just going to isolate by multiplying both sides by 500. So now I know that z equals 500 times tangent of 36. So now I need to just solve for y because then I can subtract z from y. Well, y, the entire angle here is 38. So let's again use tangent. Now we'll take tangent of 38 is equal to opposite over adjacent. So it's equal to y over 500. So I'm going to isolate by multiplying both sides by 500. So y equals 500 times tangent of 38. So now I have a value for y, I have a value for z. So these are the two values here. And as I mentioned before, if we just subtract z from y, we should get our answer. So let's do that in Desmos. And here when we subtract the two, we get 27.372 rounded to the nearest thousandth. So our answer is 27.372, and this measurement is in feet. There you go.